Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to reset Roku Express. Let's go. First way, open settings. System. Advanced system settings. Factory reset. Enter code. Or open Roku app. Account. Devices in account. Choose your Roku Express. Remove device from account. Or use reset button. That's it. Now you know how to reset Roku Express. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.